Christmas already? Mike Comtech coming to you here with another repair video. This was brought to me to repair non-functioning, only with the try me button would it function. Found out the problem and going to show you what I did to fix it. So it was pretty simple. It probably took a little longer to figure out how to get into it than anything. These things are sealed, and this has got those little styrofoam balls in there, and I want to tell you, those things probably, I don't even know if there'd be a scale that could even measure the weight of one of those things. They are super lightweight. Can you imagine what the factory would look like that make those little styrofoam balls? This stuff would be everywhere. I mean, everywhere. But anyway, I figured this little front panel would come off right here. And my favorite take-apart tool of all, the old spudger, the stainless steel spudger, gets the job done without wrecking the plastic, and it does a wonderful job. So this was just press fit on here, so I worked my way around, came up to the front, up through here a little bit, you know, not here, because this is just nothing but very thin plastic right here. This is not even plexiglass. It's just a little thin film of plastic, and then kind of got into here and over here, and then it popped off. What the problem was is the that right there, what you see flopping around, this guy right here. The light dependent resistor was somebody either it fell out of the hole up here. There's a little hole right there, right here. It fell out of that, so it was having a hard time activating when there was actually activates when there is, you know, when you break the light beam. It's used to the light, and then of course if it has light on it, light dependent resistor goes high resistance, and then when there's, let's see, maybe I'm backwards, but anyway, I forgot now which way it goes. It's not important, but anyway, found the problem. This changes resistance due to the light level. So if it was sitting down in here in this well here out of the hole, then it took an awful lot of light to you know, put into the hole there to make that react. So there it is right there. So I'm going to put it back in the where it belongs and reseal that in there, and then pop that front back on, and then it should fix this no problem. And I also resoldered a better try me button on here in the back. That other try me button that was on this thing was kind of intermittent, so I put this nice little new little button here on there for that, and then that works fine on the try me if it's shut off, or it'll work fine now with the regular way like it's supposed to, light activation. Anyway, first thing that struck me is hey, there's hardly any motor noise to this thing. What they actually used here was a small computer fan. That's what they used. I activated it by, because I laid it down on the try me button. See if I can lay it. Yep, I can't. Anyway, if I can get a shot in here of that, let's move these wires out of the way. But look at all the little foam balls that fell through and got into here. And they wrapped the circuit board in a sticky tape on the inside of that sticky, and all the foam balls are accumulating right there. It won't hurt anything. But anyway, that's a little computer fan, brushless of course, so that's why it's silent. So that's like a squirrel cage fan, so it blows straight up, and then it blows up into this top part. Let me hit the try me. See it coming out there? So it sucks all those little balls in the intake there, and then blows them all up here at the top. So I mean, that's so that little fan is actually churning all those little balls and then blowing them back out of there again. It's pretty sharp. I think this was what the history on it behind it. I think it was made in about the 90s, somewhere in there. I don't know exactly when, It's called like a holiday living snowy church scene indoor Christmas snow globe musical. You know, that's what the eBay descriptions, how they read sometimes, you know. It was pretty nice little prop, but it's even better now. It's going to work again. So anyway, I'm going to put the light dependent resistor back in its place, secure it in there, and then we'll press fit this back on here like it belongs, and we're going to call this one finished. All right, well, as always, thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you guys later.